Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Milatul Rif'ah and my student ID 20525013 and I'm from class TBIG A. Okay, so today I will make a video, a final exam from extensive listening. Okay, so I choose the video from TDED. The title is Origami, the Ancient Art from Solving Modern Problems. Okay, the reason I choose this video because it shows how a simple piece of blank paper can be transformed into something extraordinary. Hearing a 14-year-old speaker share how origami can stretch creativity, raise money to help the community, and even solve real engineering problem is incredibly inspiring. Okay, what I did in pre-listening, while listening, and post-listening. First, for pre-listening, before watching the video, I predicted the content based on the title to prepare my mindset, and then I skimmed the video description to look for unfamiliar scientific terms such as distillation or miura ori, and formulated basic guideline questions such as what modern problems can origami solve to focus my attention. Okay, and next, while listening, first I listened to the video completely without a transcript to practice my global understanding and catch the main points. After that, I listened for a second time while checking the transcript to confirm specific data, numbers, and technical details which help me accurately answer my initial guideline question. And post-listening, after finishing the video, I deeply reflected on the core message and structured the information to write a comprehensive summary. Finally, I prepared this presentation script and recorded myself presenting the summary to share what I learned from the research. Okay, the summary of the video, the speaker Miles Wu shared his passion for origami and show it has the power to stretch creativity, help the community, and lead to scientific discoveries. He explained how he loves transforming simple paper into almost anything, giving example like turning a sample cup into a crane, a long recipe into a centipede, or the New York Times newspaper into a lizard. During the pandemic, he used his hobby for social good by folding hundreds of origami pigeons and sparrows, raising over 4,000 to donate to a local soup kitchen and bird rehabilitation center. As he grew older, he became interested in how engineers use origami folds for his 8th grade science fair project. He researched the Miura Ori fold, a compact repeating geometric pattern. Through extensive testing, he discovered that this structure could hold more than 1,000 times their own weight. This research has the potential to help design structure like the emergency shelter for disaster victims, and it earned him the top prize at a national STEM competition. And next question, how the content relates to my daily lives? This content relates closely to daily life because it reminds us that huge impactful ideas can start from the simplest everyday objects. Just like children developing their creativity and hand coordination by making unique paper creation, we can use simple hobbies or creative thinking to solve practical everyday problems or find ways to give back to our own communities. And next question, how listening to the research help you with extensive listening? Listening to this research benefit because the speaker delivers a highly engaging, real-world narrative rather than a ragged textbook. Listen, since the topic transition naturally from a person hobby to community service and finally into a scientific experiment. It helps practice tracking the logical flow of a story. Furthermore, because it is TED talk, it provides an excellent opportunity to focus on understanding the main ideas and overall message globally rather than getting stuck on every single word. Okay, and next question, problems and strategies. The speaker introduced a few complex scientific and mathematical terms such as tessellation, Muraori, fold, and strength to weight ratio, which could be challenging to understand purely by listening, and at times the speaker's pacing energetic and relatively and at times the speaker's phrasing was energetic and relatively fast, making it easy to miss specific data details like the numbers of models folded or the exact amount of weight. Help. Okay, and my strategies analyze the visual aids, slides, and physical origami models show on the stage to grasp the structural concept behind the scientific terms. And instead of stressing over every technical number, during the first listen, I focus on the speaker tone and the overseeing narrative arch, catching the main takeaways of his experiment before reviewing the key milestones. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.